Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be getting into one of these upcoming SB Dunk lows, man. We do have the Safari Olympics SB, as you guys can see. Very, very nice pair, and these are going to be dropping soon this summer. There's no month that has been set for these yet, but I'm going to guess around the time of the Olympics, which I believe is around June or July. So, gonna guess it's gonna be dropping around then. I could be wrong on when that is. I'm just guessing it's in the summer since it's the summer Olympics, so it makes sense. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. If you guys want more content like this, kind of more early pair stuff, be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. Let me know that this is the type of stuff that you guys want. Just trying to 200 likes on this video, and do not forget you guys can check me out on my Instagram down below if you guys are interested in buying, selling, trading with me. I'm also running a giveaway for a free pair of military blues, so if you want a chance of winning that, just go to the most recent reel on my page and don't miss out. But that's all I really got to say. I hope y'all will enjoy, and why don't we get into discussing the Safari Olympics SB Dunk Low, which is going to be dropping soon, or this summer, so fairly soon. But first things first, really, both sneakers are the same. That's one of the main things I want to get into. There's no differences between them both, so I'm just going to show you guys one of them to kind of show you guys the up close details of these. So first things first, you guys can notice we got this nice gray suede material, which is kind of in the center portion of the sneaker, and it is also on the toe box. As you guys can see, another very nice detail. I really like that they decided to go with the gray suede with, again, kind of this gray speckled pattern as well, or kind of these gray. I mean, yeah, you remember the original Safari SB lows. You can see they have some inspiration from that right here, kind of with that it's not an elephant print like from this SB Dunk Low in 2020. Like, I'm noticing some big similarities. See, y'all may notice we got kind of that almost, as you can see, we got that speckled pattern on these also, and you can see this is the Nike SB Dunk Low Safari. So I'm just guessing that they took some inspiration from that SB right there and they threw it on these, and they're like, let's make the Safari Olympics pair, which is a very nice pair. I'm liking these. So another detail, we also got these bright blue laces with them. I think that's a nice touch. Goes with the colorway overall. They could have, done some gray laces, something like that. I think that would have been fine, but I like the bright blue. I think it fits the theme, and it's overall not a bad touch, and it kind of helps them stand out a little bit. Also, we got this black swoosh right there. Then back there by the heel, you guys can see we just have the embroidered Nike logo, kind of in that orange. It's not super orange in person. That's one of the main things. It looks orange, but it has like it's been tinted down a bit almost, so it's not very bright, if that makes sense. Like, it's almost bronze, if that makes sense. It's almost bronze in hand, but it's not. So it's kind of a lighter colorway, but it doesn't appear as super bright in person. Hopefully that's a good way to describe it, because they also use the same colorway on the insole right here. You just guys can see we got that Zoom Air insole, and then again just the very padded insoles that we have on SBs. You never have to worry about your foot getting messed up, because you got lots of padding right here. So that's one of the nice things about wearing these on a day-to-day basis. But aside from these being comfortable, also got the fat tongue with them, and you guys can see it's almost like you can kind of see the material they chose to use. It's not going to be a suede material. It's almost just kind of like leather. It's not leather, I would say, but kind of just like that silk material they sometimes choose to go with, almost like I don't know, like a satin. So it's nothing too crazy per se on the tongue tag, but no complaints right here. And in terms of this sneaker, I don't believe there's anything underneath. If you cut away, I don't think any of these are like tearaway layers. Like, I'm feeling them right now, and it doesn't seem like that would be the case. But if you skate them, it actually seems like it could maybe reveal something underneath. Also got the soles on these. Almost completely forgot to show you guys these. You guys can see we just got that all black sole with, again, kind of that orange or bronzish center. That's kind of the colorway I'm trying to describe. I just can't. I can't remember it off the top of my head. I know it's a very, very easy term, but for some reason I'm forgetting it. So y'all can see we got that, which is matching right there, and also back by the heel right here. Hopefully I can get that to focus. I don't know if it is. I don't know if it's focusing. Yeah, maybe my camera's a little bit off right now. There we go. But yeah, y'all can see, and then that nice kind of safari speckled design that they have going all around. And the suede, again, I just keep going back to that. It's one of the favorite things for me, at least, about this sneaker. I think it just is a really nice detail. It fits the shoe, and overall the blue laces go well with these, so that's another thing I thought I would just show to you guys right there. But yeah, another little early pair review. Let me know how y'all are feeling about the Safari SBs overall. I'm a fan. I'm not going to be putting these on because, again, they're pretty expensive at the moment, so your boy's just going to be looking. I have a 9 and 10, so if anybody's interested, hit me up on my Instagram. But yeah, overall, just a nice pair. I'm a fan of them. Like, they've built these really, really well, and they definitely look even better in person, and I'm a big fan of the suede material they chose to use as well. But aside from, me kind of going over those details and mentioning those again, why don't we get into showing you guys some video of these, how they look kind of up close, because that's, something we can always do to spice up the video a little bit, and show you guys how these truly look, with a good look at them. So why don't we get into discussing that and diving into, a little quiz, I don't know what I was going to say there, but a closer up look at the Safari Olympics SB. Let's go. But guys, that is pretty much everything I need to say for the Safari Olympics SB Dunk Low, which is going to be dropping soon this summer 2024. No month set yet, but I can only imagine that around the time the Olympics start, these are going to be dropping. I mean, they're called the Safari Olympics SB, so I couldn't see them doing them at a different time. Nike sometimes messes it up, but it's kind of like how they did the April skateboards, not in April. Like, they might do something like that for these, but I don't imagine that happening. So just let me know your thoughts on this SB Dunk Low. You rock with them? I'm I guess gonna try and blow up the pair right there, but yeah, let me know what y'all are thinking about these right here. And again, I got 9 and 10. Anybody interested, just hit me up on my Instagram. I even have a sample 9, has all the tags, all that, so just let me know on my IG if you're interested in how y'all are feeling about this one down below. Again, subscribe, like for more content like this. Trying to 200 likes on this video. I probably said that. If I didn't, then no big deal. I'm mentioning it right now, and you guys can check the IG down below if you want to get entered for that military blue giveaway, or hit me up about this pair, any other ones I may have. Just let me know, and I will get back to you in a timely fashion. That's all I really need to say right there. And again, another really clean SB Low on the way. I'm a fan. This is I don't know. I might tow these, but I have to think about it. You know what I mean? I kind of want to tow the Jumpman Jacks too. So your boy's in the decision process, but no big deal. That's it. Let me know your thoughts on these down below. And I will catch you all in the next video. Coming soon. Peace. Sticks made up.